Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to pop on and I wanted to actually review a product that I just bought a couple days ago. Now, I am a big fan of Melissa Michelle. She's another beauty YouTuber on YouTube, and last week, or I think it was like 10 days ago, she was trying out a new foundation and her skin looked really beautiful, and I wanted to show you guys what it was today and to see if it actually works for me. So the other day I went to Ulta and I bought, this is the It Cosmetics, it's the Your Skin But Better foundation plus skincare. So this tells you that if you put it on, it improves your bare skin in just 2 weeks. So this is the product, guys. So luckily they had this in stock. So again, during this whole pandemic, you can't test out any of the colors. You can kind of just put the product right by your skin and see, you know, what color looks good on you. But I did get a little darker than my natural color on my face. So I'm going to be trying the Your Skin But Better foundation in medium neutral 31. So this is my number. Okay, so again, guys, this is the first time that I'm literally taking this out of the box. I have not tried this. So this is how it looks. See, now, when I see products that are really good for your skin and it's makeup, in other words, just like this Plump and Prime that I reviewed a couple weeks ago, I like when you put on products and that they benefit your skin in time. So in other words, if I'm going to be wearing makeup during the day, then why not let this help out my skin? Okay, now again, don't just buy this just because you magically think that your skin is going to be awesome in 2 weeks. You have to have a good skincare regimen in place of that as well. But, you know, why not add another supplement to your skincare? Okay, so I'm going to just read from Ulta that just like what it says on here, it's a hydrating foundation. So this is medium coverage that gives you a natural radiant finish that gives you a beautiful looking skin tone even on the days you don't even wear it. Okay, so this is a hydrating foundation, and again, it's medium coverage. It has micro fine pearl powder, provides a natural radiant finish. And what I really like about this is, again, because I know these ingredients, there's moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So again, that plumps up, that gives you moisture in your face. There's aloe vera extract in this product. So of course, guys, if you do have scarring on your face, the aloe vera is going to help reduce that redness or reduce that scarring. It also has vitamin E and B5, again, to help with the redness or the scarring of your face, and plus hepatic acid for gentle exfoliation. Okay, so there is gentle exfoliation here. All right, guys, so we are going to see how this looks. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little bit on the palm of my hand. Let's see. Okay, we're going to do this. Okay, guys, so this is how much I have on my hand, and we are going to start applying. I'm going to use a beauty blender sponge. Okay. So again, guys, I've been most of my day like literally resumes on Google Meets and stuff, so I haven't been wearing much makeup, but I honestly have been looking for a very good foundation just to wear on these Google Meets. Literally, I'm on there 24/7. Okay, so wow, this like builds right into my skin. Doesn't even look like foundation's on it. Wow, look. Wow. And you know what's weird? I actually got a I got a foundation that I thought was going to be darker for my skin, and I guess I picked the right color. Okay. So I always have redness over here. So let's try a little bit more. Actually, I don't even need any more. Oh my God, this looks so nice. It doesn't even feel like I have foundation on. That's it, and it's weird because it says it's medium coverage. So when you put this on, your skin, it doesn't feel like you have a lot of product on. So that's awesome. That really is great. Okay, so we're going to compare this part that has the makeup on compared to this part. Now again, over here you guys see like all the redness, and I do have a couple of scarring, I do have a couple of blemishes. And then here, look. It Cosmetics, man, you guys are awesome, really. I always have so much amazing products from them. They have never literally failed to disappoint me. Never. All right, so I'm going to put this on my blemishes over here. All right, so you still do see a little bit of your blemish, but the redness is gone. That's what's great about it. So yeah, I have definitely been looking for a foundation for my meats to even like give me a little bit more of color, you know. All right, so I'm gonna just put a little bit more on my hand because 2 was not enough, so I'm gonna just do 1.5 more. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my blemishes again. That's what, oh my God, that's what I love about this foundation now. It feels like you're just putting on a moisturizer, like a lightweight moisturizer. That's exactly how it feels. It doesn't even, wow, this doesn't even feel like there's foundation on my face. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Because you know, guys, how sometimes like I've heard people say, oh, I don't really wear that much makeup anymore. And I feel sometimes when I do put a lot of foundation on my face, sometimes when I go out, you know, you do feel that heaviness with, you know, a very heavy foundation. But since, again, this is a medium coverage, you still can build this up. And I feel like if I build this up, that it'll still feel like it literally feels like skin. Okay. Oh my God. Why didn't I open up this sooner? So sorry, guys. I've been like a little incognito on YouTube. I've just been really busy with so many projects and work. So many things in my life have been happening. Okay, and with the leftover, I'm going to just apply this on my neck. Okay, so here it is. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to do one more pump, and I'm going to just put it on my blemish that I have these two right over here. Okay, here and here. I've actually been breaking out for the past couple weeks. This is due to a lot of changes going on, so. Right, well, okay. So when I put the other layer of the foundation on these two blemishes, again, you can see like, you know, the dots, but the redness is gone. All right. Okay, guys, so here it is. This is without any concealer. There's nothing on my face except for the Plump and Prime and the foundation from It Cosmetics. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit more of a closer look. Notice that it's an even skin tone. My pores look amazing. Wow. My pores look really, really nice. Like I can't even see them. And again, guys, just the way how this feels, it feels like nothing is on your face. Unbelievable. All right, I'm going to just put a little bit more makeup on. I'm going to put some concealer underneath my eyes because I want to see how that looks as well with this foundation when you build, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I am done. Today I went very, very lightweight. I just put on some concealer underneath my eyes and a some eyeshadow, some lightweight eyeshadow, put some tanner on, some bronzer on just to lighten up my cheeks. And guys, seriously, like throughout the entire time that I was doing my makeup routine, the concealer, it stood very, very well. Like I feel like when I put the concealer on, I didn't even need it because this foundation did so many wonders. Now again, while I'm talking and everything, it feels literally like I have no foundation on. Even though, again, this is a medium coverage, it feels very lightweight. Now, with the IT Cosmetics, I have a couple of their pressed powders and their liquid powders. Now, when you put those liquid powders on and powders as well, that's how the IT Cosmetics, their brand, that's how it feels on your face. So this liquid foundation, it feels like it went right to a powder. Very, very lightweight. And when I'm looking really, really close, I'm going to make a close-up, guys. Let me see. Hang on. Okay, so here's the close-up of my face. You guys can see on my forehead. Guys can see on my forehead that there's no pores. I have very, very heavy pores, large pores on my nose and around here. I think this came out really nice, guys. Again, this is helping your face when you wear this. And again, it says it's in noticeable 2 weeks. So I definitely want to see how that comes out. Since I know a lot about the ingredients, when you do put aloe vera extract in your products, aloe vera is really wonderful for your skin. And again, the Plump and Prime, when you mix these two together, how these help your skin out, I think those two together is perfect. Guys, I'm really, really happy. Again, my color is neutral, what was it? Medium Neutral 31. So this is how Medium Neutral 31 looks. So, all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like me to review another product, you please let me know. Everything is down in the comments. If you'd like me to review another product that you want to discover if it works or not, which I actually have a lot of products that I did buy in Ulta the other day, so I will be coming on here again and reviewing. IT Cosmetics, you did such a wonderful job. I am definitely giving this a thumbs up. And while I have a thumbs up, why don't you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you guys can see more videos coming up. All right, everyone, have a wonderful Thanksgiving and stay safe. Mwah. Bye.